Yo, what's up, potatoes? Welcome to another video. Like, grand welcome to Aalu fries. And in this video, I'm gonna watch. Actually, we'll be watching "Set Fire to the Rain" by Durian the masked singer, Thailand. And this video was popping up in almost all the comments that I received, like in the in these couple of days, and mainly this song was suggested by Numanja Patarasit Pradavate Cheta Martavi. Sorry guys if I misspell your names. And there are like few other people, but they are like I don't think they are the names of the people. They are like the time, something like that. But yes, this particular song is suggested by many folks actually. So I thought of reacting to this video, this song, or whatever, this performance, whatever. So okay, enough of talking. Let's jump into this video right away. I wish I could play the piano, man. Hey, this guy again? This chick. Woo. Woo.
Until you kiss my lips and you saved me. My hands, they strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true.
My God. I think this is Adele's song, right? Oh yeah. Together. Never knew. Your face burn like I cried. The flame. Woo! That was awesome! I think this is my second video, I guess, on Durian Mask. Actually, I watched another video. I think it's not zombie, probably. I don't know. I don't remember. But like a few days back, I did a reaction video on this this Masked Singer performance, and that was like fantabulous. And coming to this video, I really enjoyed this performance. Actually, I think this song is by Adele, I guess. Adele, yes, Adele's. Yep. I remember, but I wasn't sure about the singer, so I just checked. So it was Adele, yeah. So I'm not good at music, so I cannot. I'm not here to judge or you know his performance, but overall his performance was great. That's all. See you in the next video, guys. Keep frying the potatoes. Peace.